Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to copy boards and dashboards between accounts on Monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what actually we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, we have my work, and your boards here. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and copy boards and dashboards between accounts on Monday.com. Basically, what you firstly need to do is transfer a relevant, so how you can actually use this feature is to transfer relevant main boards or dashboards into the actual folder. Locate the cross-account copier feature, so you basically need to go locate that. Select the folder of dashboard or boards and the dashboards you wish to actually go and move, and enter your destination account URL. Now when you did that, that's basically what you needed to go and do to do this. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys, as I said. And guys, as always, that will be everything for this video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.